Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. We're gonna have a different video today, guys. We're gonna be doing unboxing for a company called Wild Grain. If you don't know about Wild Grain, they are the first frozen bread, artisanal pastries, and fresh pasta subscription box. Now let's go ahead and open it and see what is inside. They reached out to us and I'm excited about this potential partnership. So we just opened the box, guys. As you can see, all packaging are eco-friendly. So inside you can see the dry ice. I think here is the packaging slip. It details what is in the box. You can see the dry ice also inside. And here we have the croissants that are free. They come with each and every box. We have the giant chocolate cookies with the instructions on the back. Here we have sourdough harvest bread, fresh pasta. We have fettuccine and tonarelli. I can't wait to taste all these, guys. And now we have sourdough bread and the slow fermented 3-seed bread. So now I'm going to use and try the sourdough slow fermented 3-seed bread. The instructions are all in the bag. We're gonna go ahead and remove it from the wrap. In the meantime, my oven is preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so I removed my loaf. It's still frozen, guys. Then I'm gonna wrap it with the foil. The instruction there, if you want your loaf to be moist, you have to wrap it with the foil. Then we're gonna put the frozen loaf on metal rack without a baking sheet and bake for 18 to 20 minutes until crust is golden brown. I just pulled out the bread. I'm gonna place it onto a cooling rack to let it cool for 20 minutes to finish the bake. It really smells so good in here, guys. My house smells like a bakery. Look how spongy it is, guys. Now after 20 minutes, I'm gonna slice the bread. I'm going to make my favorite prosciutto open face sandwich. Look at the pockets, guys. I can't wait to try this bread. Already I'm salivating. Next, I'm going to spread my favorite herb fromaggia di fenouil. Guys, this bread is so moist. I can just feel when I touched it. So let's get into how it works. Each month you're gonna get a box of breads, pasta, and pastries. Everything's gonna come from frozen, so don't throw anything, guys. Everything is made artisanal, so you have to make sure that you keep everything cold. So back to the video. Next, we are going to broil this for 2 minutes under the broiler to melt the cheese. After 2 minutes, we're gonna pull out the bread. Then we're gonna top with prosciutto and dill, fresh dill, and your sandwich is ready to be munched. Back to Wild Grain. All the food here is made with clean ingredients that are easy to understand and contain no preservatives. All the items are par-baked, flash frozen, and then vacuum sealed. It's very easy. You can use discount code Mama Bui's Kitchen. For the first 50 people to sign up, you'll get 10% off the first box and free croissant in every box. Shipping is free. And the monthly subscription can be canceled anytime, or if you want to skip, you can do that. So Get yours today by using the referral link and discount code right down in the description box. And remember, guys, for the first 50 people to sign up, you're gonna get $10 off the first box and free croissant. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me tell you, this bread is amazing. It's soft, fluffy, and I love the crust. Grab yours today and tag me on Instagram at Mama Bui's Kitchen.